Good evening, everybody. Good evening. I hope you all can hear me and see the screen properly. Today, we are going to have the discussion of the questions that you have done day before yesterday. The answers to the questions are going to be discussed right now. I hope you all can hear me and see the screen properly. My throat is not so well, so we would be just doing the revision with I'll be speaking a bit lower. So, I hope you all can hear me. Yes. Done, everybody. Can you all hear me right now? I hope you all can hear me right now, right? Can you all hear me? Just tell me. Am I audible to everybody? Just tell me that. Yes? So, without wasting too much of time, let's move on to the session. Those who are watching the session right now, don't forget to hit the like button, do share it with your friends, and subscribe the amazing platform of Biopoint, stream the world of bio. So, let's get going with this. Just I will be telling down the answers for the question, and you can comment down the answers. Largest botanical garden, Indian Botanical Garden, and National Botanical Garden research institutes are situated respectively at. You have to have the three things over here. Very easy question. Yes, very good. The answer is right. Option number two. That is the largest botanical garden is present in Kew in England. Indian Botanical Garden is present in Howrah, and National Botanical Garden is present in Lucknow. Very important question. Moving on to question number two. Select the incorrect statement with reference to the taxon genus. Pure NCRT question. The entire sentences are from NCRT itself. Yes, everybody, just tell me the answer. Select the incorrect statement with respect to the taxon genus. It is a group of resemblance of related species. A genus essentially possesses more than one number of species. Lion, tiger, leopard, jaguar are closely related species which have been placed in the genus Panthera and are respectively named as Panthera leo, Panthera tigris, Panthera pardus, and Panthera onca. Solanum, Penicillium, Vidhenia, and Canis are the examples. Yes, it is a direct NCRT question, and the correct answer for this question is option number 2. I think I can highlight it, right? So it will be easier for you. Yes, option number 2 will be the genus essentially possesses more than one number of species, while all other statements are there in the NCRT, and it is a correct statement. This Penicillium, Vidhenia, and Canis are not in the NCRT, but you will definitely Solanum tuberosum, Penicillium notatum. So they are the first term, so they are the genus name. Moving on to question number 3. Read the following statements regarding the museum. Read the following statement regarding the museums. Let's read it one by one. Okay, let's read it one by one. You have to read the 6 statements given over here and you have to identify which of the following are not correct. Yes, tell me true or false. Okay, tell me true or false first, one by one. Okay. Biological museums are generally set up in educational institutions such as schools and colleges. That's a true statement. Museums have collection of preserved plants and animal specimens for study and reference. That is again a true statement, right? Specimens are preserved in containers or jars in preservative solution. That's again correct. Number 4, insects are preserved in insect boxes after collecting, killing, and pinning. That's again correct. Large animals like birds and mammals are usually stuffed and preserved. That's again correct, right? And the last statement, skeleton of mammals are not allowed to be kept in museum. That's an absolutely wrong statement. So your correct answer, as you all told me, option number 4, 6 only is the okay. 6 only is the wrong statement. All the other 5 statements are there in the NCRT as such. Question number 4. Dash is a taxonomic category. This is a direct NCRT based question. Okay, this is a direct NCRT based question. So a taxonomic aid which gives the actual account of habit and distribution of plants of a given area and also provides an index to the plant species found in an area Flora, key, monograph, and manual. Yes, everybody, very good. The correct answer is Flora. Direct NCRT line. Question number 5. Read the following statement and select the correct ones. You have to read the following option and select the correct option. Herbarium is a storehouse of collected plant specimens that are dried, preserved, and pressed on sheet. That's a correct statement. Flora provides index to the plant species found in a particular area. Correct. Monograph contain information on any one taxon. Again, correct. So the correct answer would be the option number D was incomplete. The correct answer was 1, 2, and 3. Clear, everybody? So the correct answer is option number 4. It was given incorrectly over here and the options was confusing. That is, was mixed even. But I think all of you will be writing it. I don't know. Yes. So the correct answer is option 1, 2, and 3. Both the 3 statements given over here are the correct ones itself. Moving on to question number 6. Which one single organism we have done in the rank booster for biological classification even? Which one single organism or the pair of organism is correctly assigned to its name and their taxonomic group? Yes. Lichen is a composite organism formed by the symbiotic association of an algae and a protozoan. Yeast used in making bread and beer is a fungus. Nostoc and Anabaena are examples of Protista. Number 4. Paramecium and Plasmodium belong to the same kingdom. Those who are watching the session, don't forget to hit the like button. Okay. Done, everybody. So question number 6, the correct answer is option number 2. Yeast used in making bread and beer is a fungus. So yeast is actually the particular thing which is used in making bread as well as beer. And the yeast is actually coming under the class or kingdom fungus. Is it clear for Bhumi and all? Everybody, is it clear? Yes. Moving on to question number 7. Nomenclature is governed by certain universal rules. Which one of the following is contrary to the rules of nomenclature? Yes, very easy question. This is a very, very easy question. The names are written in Latin and are italicized. When written by hand, the names are to be underlined. Biological names can be written in any language. The first word in a biological name represents a genus name and the second is a specific epithet. Yes, very good, guys. The correct answer is option number 3. Biological names are only written in Latin. Okay, because Latin is a dead language. We have already studied. So that is a wrong statement. Moving on to question number 8. This is also a question which we have already done in the rank booster series. Study the 4 statements A to D and select the 2 correct ones out of them. I think I'm audible to you all, right? Am I audible to everybody? I'm talking a bit lower. That's my, I think my sound is lower, or I'm speaking. I'm using a mic actually right now to make my sound reach you. Yes. So let's discuss. Okay, let's anyway discuss the answer for this question. The statement number 1, definition of biological species was given by Ernest Mayr. Number 2, that is a correct statement. So A statement is correct. Photoperiod does not affect reproduction in plants. No, it's a wrong. Binomial nomenclature system was given by R.H. Whittaker. That's also wrong. In unicellular organism, reproduction is synonymous with growth, which is the correct one. Yes. The correct answer for this question is option number 3. A and D are the correct statements. Okay, A and D are the correct statements. Question number 9. Yes, all these are expected question for your NEET exam that I have included for you batch, guys. Read the following statement and describe the infectious particle. You have to identify whether the given characteristics are of virus, viroids, virion, or bacteriophage. After reading the very first statement itself, you will understand that it was discovered by Theodena. Without reading the rest of the option itself, you will understand the answer as option number 2, viroids. Yes, I think there is no point in just reading the rest part. Is it, Bhumi? Yes. Done. Moving on to question number 10. Yes. In a bacteriophage, labelings A to D are given. Okay, in the bacteriophage, labelings A to D are given. You have to select the correct statement. You have to select the correct statement. Okay. Let's match it together. Let's label it together. That is, okay, the first one is the head. You know that this is the head. What is the B part? B part is the collar. C part is the sheath. And D is the tail fibers. So which is the correct one? The correct one, what is the correct one given? What is the correct one given? The correct one given over here is option number 3, collar and tail fibers. Correctly labeled is B is collar and D is tail fibers. Yes, Ananya, very good. Moving on to question number 11. Select the mismatched pair. You have to identify the mismatched pair among the following. W.M. Stanley, viruses could be crystallized. D.J. Ivanovsky coined the term virus. M.W. Bijernik, extract of infected plants of tobacco cause infection in healthy plants. None of these. Yes, everybody have to tell me the answer for the question. Yes. Yes, everybody. Yes, is it 2 or is it 3? Yes. Can you all hear me properly? Can you all hear me properly? Can you please tell me yes or no on the chat box? Is there any issue with the audio? Yes. Okay, let's back into the question. Select the mismatched pair. W.M. Stanley, viruses could be crystallized. Have you told me the answer once again? Can you just type it out? W.M. Stanley, viruses could be crystallized. D.J. Ivanovsky coined the term virus. M.W. Bijernik, extracted of the infected plants of tobacco cause infection in healthy plants. And option number 4, none of these. Yes. Ananya, please refer the NCRT. D.J. Ivanovsky coined the term virus. New NCRT, I think. In the new NCRT, it is given like that. Just refer that and can you please tell me about it in the telegram after this? If you don't have your NCRT right now in your hand. In the old NCRT, it was given like that, I think. I'll once again check the answer for this question and I'll tell you. Okay, please just, I'll check the answer for this question once again and I'll tell you. Okay, done. Moving on to question number 12. Which of the following statements regarding viruses are correct? They are cellular. They are acellular. So from that itself, statement number 1 is incorrect. They can be grown in the culture medium. No. Genetic material is either DNA or RNA, but never both. Correct. They can be crystallized. W.M. Stanley. So 3 and 4 are correct. So option number 3 is the correct. It's not 1 and 2. It's asked viruses are correct. Read the question carefully, guys. Read the question carefully. Okay, moving on to question number 13. Deuteromycetes is known as fungi imperfectae because members are not well differentiated. Mycelium is aseptate and cenocytic. Members do not produce zoospores. It lacks sexual reproduction. There is no point in just keep wasting the time over here and discussing this. You know the answer. Deuteromycetes are called imperfect fungi due to the lack of sexual reproduction. Question number 14. Which all are the examples of deuteromycetes? Deuteromycetes example is cat, Coleotrichum, Alternaria, Trichoderma. Yes, what is the answer? Very good. The correct answer is Alternaria and Trichoderma, which is given over here. Question number 15. Refer to the given figure and select the incorrect statement. Select the incorrect option regarding the same. First of all, identify what is this. Tell me on the chat box, what is that particular structure given? Yes. Yes. Yes, it is an agaricus given over here. The correct answer for this question is option number 2. It is non-edible and a poisonous mushroom. Yes. Bhumi, I think you have typed something and deleted at the moment. Actually, I cannot read that. If you have any doubt, just ask me. Okay, I'll explain that. So correct answer for this question is option number 2. Moving on to question number 16. Select the incorrect statement about the given organism. Select the incorrect statement regarding the organism. What is this organism? The organism given over here is euglena. The organism given over here is the euglena. Two unequal lateral flagella. Two unequal flagella. That's correct. It dies when deprived of sunlight. No, it won't. It won't die when deprived of sunlight. Instead, what it will do, in the absence of sunlight, they will become heterotrophic in nature. Right? They will become heterotrophic in nature. Yes. Question number 17. Guys, this is a highly expected question. In my mind, every time when I teach you biological classification, this question comes into your mind. That is, this is expected. That is why I usually put this question. Which of the following combination is true for slime molds? Parasitic plasmodium without walls, spores dispersed by air current. Saprophytic plasmodium with walls, spores described by water. Parasitic plasmodium without walls. Yes, saprophytic plasmodium without walls, spores dispersed by air current. Yes, Bhumi, that I also told like that. The name virus, that mean venom or poisonous fluid, was given by Dmitry Ivanovsky in the year 1892, was actually given in the new NCRT. Ananya, if you have NCRT by your side right now, can you please check it and tell me which was the question? Can you just tell me if you had in the old edition of NCRT, it was like Louis Pasteur. In the old NCRT, the statement was like, I'll be telling you, I have the old NCRT with me. That is what's the main reason why I always tell you to read NCRT. And if I tell something mistake in the slides, you must correct to me. That's why I'm usually telling you to read NCRT every time. In the old NCRT, it was given like the name virus. That means venom or poisonous fluid was given by Pasteur. And the second line was DJ Ivanovsky, something it was given. Ananya, can you please tell me? Yes. The correct answer for this question is option number 4. None of these, because all the statements given over here are correct. That's what I told you. Ananya, can you just take a picture of the new, that is the old edition of that page of virus and can send me in Telegram after this session gets over? And Bhumi, also just send me that page number 26 of your new NCRT edition in my personal. Okay, I'll refer that. I'll look into it. Okay, 2019 is also a new edition, my dear. I'm having an edition of 2006. The textbook in my hand is of 2006. That's why I'm asking you. So just take it over and tell me. Okay. So the correct answer for this particular question is option number 4. You know that slime molds, they are saprophytic, they are plasmodium without walls, and their spores are dispersed by air current. Question number 18. Question number 18. Question number 18. 4 types of bacteria A to D are identified on the basis of the shape. 4 bacteria are identified on the basis of the shape. On the basis of the shape. Which of the following is true? Option A, Vibrio. Yes. Can you just tell me the answer, everybody? Yes, very good. Bacillus and spirillum. This is coccus. This is bacilli. This is spirillum. And this is the Vibrio. Done, everybody? Yes. Very direct question. You can answer to me right now. Oxidize various inorganic substances and play an important role in the recycling of nutrients. Very good. The correct answer given in the NCERT itself, it is a chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. Last and final question for the day, because the exam contains only 20 questions. Yes, everybody select the pair that consists of plants and animal bacterial diseases. Tell me, guys. Very good. The correct answer is option number 1. These are the diseases caused in animals. These are in plants. So that marks the end of this super amazing session for the episode number 10 of the Rank Booster series. Okay, a Rank Booster series. So bye-bye, guys. See you in the next class with yet another important session. Bye-bye. Good night, everybody.